Hello, welcome to ArtistAnd. My name is China and I'm the founder. I wanted to tell you a bit more about what we do as a company and how we can help you. Art is super important and we believe it should be for everybody. However, I know some people are scared. Don't be. Art should be inclusive for everyone. We use traditional techniques in order to bring out the best in people and explore any hidden potential. Being creative is not only good for your mental well-being, but it's also a great way to stay connected and engage with your community. Whether that's from a traditional oil painting or a workshop that you attended, art brings people together. Creative thinking is essential for businesses, and we're lucky enough that our business is purely creative. So what do we offer? Traditional oil paintings. We like to have a play on branding. You might remember the Domino's campaign, where the Mona Lisa was eating pizza. Well, that was us. And even now, people are still talking about that. So if you still want to be talked about in years to come, then maybe we should have a conversation about our own painting that we can create for you. Workshops. Our workshops are specifically designed to help your team stay engaged. Our workshops are perfect for social events, well-being programs, as well as team building exercises. You may have thought that drawing can't be fun, but trust me, it can. So thanks for watching our video. We're ArtistAnd, and we're here to help find the art in your business.